level na mastermind sa pamamaril sa isang negosyante sa Iligan City. Ang detalye mula kay Patrolwoman Rhea May Sanchez.
Arrest ang top 3 most wanted person, regional level, na mastermind sa pagpatay sa isang negosyante sa Purok Santo Niño, Tubod, Iligan City. Kinilala ni Police Major Neil Mark C. Kipanes, Station Commander ng Iligan City Police Station 4, ang suspect na isang 36 anyos, babae at residente ng nasabing lugar. Sa isinagawang simultaneous manhunt Charlie operation ng Iligan City PNP, ay nadakip ang top 3 most wanted person, regional level, sa bisa ng warrant of arrest sa kasong murder at walang inirekomendang piyansa. Ang babaeng suspect ay sangkot umano sa isang shooting incident na naganap noong Pebrero taong kasalukuyan.
We give you an update po doon sa ating nahuling regional most wanted person. Joint operatives of Iligan City Police Station 4, Iligan City Investigation and Detection Management Unit conducted a joint manhunt Charlie operation which resulted to the successful arrest of regional most wanted person and a resident of Barangay Tubod, Iligan City.
Bago ang pamamaril ay nakita ang babaeng suspect sa isang CCTV footage na kasama ang isang lalaki na gunman na bumaril sa biktima makalipas ang ilang araw. Ang babaeng suspect ay nasa kustudiyan ng Iligan City Police Station 4 para sa kakaharaping kaso at tamang disposisyon.
The accused was arrested by virtue of a warrant of arrest for the crime of murder with no bail recommended. He is now under the custody of Iligan City Police Station 4 for proper disposition. Iligan City Police Station 4 is pleased to announce the full apprehension of one of the most wanted individuals for our relentless efforts and collaboration with the community. Justice has been served. We urge everyone to remain vigilant and report any suspicious activities to help maintain the safety and security of our communities.
Mula dito sa Police Regional Office 10, ako ang inyong Police News Network correspondent, Patrolwoman Rhea May Sanchez, alagad ng batas, tagataguyod ng balitang pulis.